the main exercise in problem number 3 is just again to try and show you how these aldol type reactions work. And what I mean by an aldol type reaction is that you have an enol form of one molecule reacting with the carbonyl form of the other molecule. And so to go to the answer key, so the idea being here, so for the first one for part A, is that the enol of this molecule will react with the carbonyl of this molecule to give this resultant molecule. So in most cases, if you're looking for just an aldol reaction, you want to be looking for one primary functionality. So the product of this is going to be a carbonyl that is beta to where you have nucleophilic attack on this aldehyde, which results in this alcohol. So if you go back to the question, the main thing that you want to be doing is you want to be looking for the alcohol, and then if you're going to make the disconnection, you want to be looking 2 carbons away for how to make that disconnection, right? And so if you take a step back and look at the starting material, and if this was an aldehyde in this case, then you can make this logical disconnection in the molecule to show that this in the aldehyde form would be a starting material, and then this would be a starting material. And so this portion of it is the enol. This acts as a nucleophile and adds to that aldehyde. So it's almost an analogous situation here. You make your disconnection right there. And the exact same thing here is that you look for the alcohol, you make your major disconnection here. Skipping to F, again, it's almost an identical situation. You look for your alcohol, you have a beta carbonyl, you make your disconnection there. So the only trick on D and E is to recognize that for some reason these molecules go on and they dehydrate or go through what's called an aldol condensation type reaction, and the original product would have been this, just a single bond there. But if you look at this system, this you could probably predict that this is just going to eliminate water out of this. And the major reason being is that you can then extend this pi system across the entire molecule. Okay. So you get full conjugation across the entire molecule. And again, with this, what you would want to do is you would want to realize that that was the molecule that came from, and it went through an elimination, so you make your disconnection there.